Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by revealing what you need to remove. Hold the item up against the light so you can see the adhesive edge and thinner areas. This tells you where to start. Apply low heat briefly with a hair dryer to soften glue. Keep the dryer moving. Once done, slip a length of waxed dental floss or fishing line under a corner and saw gently to lift. Make sure to work slowly. Rushing tears materials and leaves residue. You now control the peel. Keep a steady 30 to 45 degree pull while continuing intermittent heat so the adhesive stays pliable. This reduces stretching and residue. If a section resists, pause and reheat for 5 to 10 seconds, then lift with a plastic scraper. Never metal. Once the main piece is off, apply isopropyl to a microfiber cloth and rub in circular motions to dissolve leftover tackiness. Make sure to ventilate the area while using solvents. You finish by restoring the surface. Clean with a mild detergent or glass cleaner and polish with a soft cloth to remove streaks. If sticky spots persist, test a small amount of citrus solvent or commercial adhesive remover in an inconspicuous area. Apply briefly and wipe away. If you notice damage, discoloration, warping, or scratches, stop and reassess. Stronger solvents or abrasives can make it worse. One troubleshooting tip: if adhesive hardens, reheat gently and repeat the floss test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.